In this video, we'll show you how to install your lighting kit. Start by finding the header of the Murphy bed. Next, let's grab your lighting kit. Check inside to make sure you have all the parts. Let's start with attaching the touchpad plate. Find a spot on your headboard where you want your touchpad. Set the touchpad over the ring terminal. Use the 2 screws provided to secure the touchpad and the ring terminal to your headboard. Then, route the long wire through the small notch in the cabinet vertical and up to the header. Now we're ready to attach the transformer and power cord to the header. Line up the holes with the power cord. You'll see a small letter A carved into the wood. Now let's get that cord out of the way. Take the power cord and run it along the line of the Murphy bed. Run the wire through the notch to the base of your Murphy bed. Take the end of the dimmer wire and connect it to the power cord wire. It should look something like this when you're done. Now we'll connect the power cord to the transformer. Find the letter B etched into the header of your Murphy bed. Take the transformer and line up the holes to screw it in. Now you're ready to attach your lights. Attach your light with 2 wires to the hole on the right side. Now connect one of the wires to the transformer. Now attach the remaining light with only 1 wire to the hole on the left side. Now attach the 2 lighting connections together. And then connect the lighting connection with the transformer connection. The final result should look something like this on your header. We've included wire staples if you want to secure your cords. Now let's check that connection. If the lights come on, you've done everything right. Now you've successfully set up your lighting kit. We hope you enjoy your new Murphy bed. If you have any questions, please visit our website or feel free to give us a call. Thanks for choosing the Better Way Murphy Bed Company.